Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. As you can see from the title, today we'll be talking about how to build an easy and solid skincare routine specifically for beginners. For those of you who, like me, had a midlife crisis and you're scrambling and you want to get your skin together and you don't know how, this is for you. Not really, this is for everybody. But if you're like me, you thought Castile soap and vibes were enough, and they're not, honey. They're not. They're not. You gotta do a little bit more, and that's what this video is for. But if you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face because it's makeup free and fabulous, then definitely subscribe so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like if you want to see more videos like this. It really does support my channel. I do want to start this video off by saying that I'm not wearing any makeup on my face. I'm just wearing mascara and I do have on some lip gloss. I thought it was important for me to come on with bare skin, with unfiltered skin, because some of us have this interesting perspective about what skin is supposed to look like, what good skin or great skin is supposed to look like. We think great skin is supposed to look like perfect skin, and that is just not true. All of us have texture on our face. All of us have some texture on our face. All of us have pores. Some of us have bigger pores than others, but we all have things on our face that make us human. I think social media has warped our perception of what everyday people look like. I have things on my face that I don't necessarily love or enjoy. But at the end of the day, skincare is a journey, and it's my skin. I can't replace my skin with someone else's skin. Like my natural hair video, I'm not going to mention a whole bunch of products. Products are important to some degree, but it's really just a vehicle to get to our end goal. We have to focus on our techniques and we have to focus on the routine. I will definitely link my favorite products down below. Clicking my links and purchasing through my links always supports my channel. It helps to keep the lights on. We need these lights, baby. It is important to know your skin type, as you can cater your routine and your products to your specific skin type as well as your specific skin needs. There's dry skin, there's oily skin, there's normal or balanced skin, and then there's combination skin, which can be a combination of the 3 other skin types. In addition to these skin types, you may also have some sensitivities or have sensitive skin. You can have dry and sensitive skin, oily and sensitive skin. If you're using certain products with certain ingredients and your skin is not reacting well to it, it may be that you're sensitive to that product, to that ingredient. In addition to skin types, there's also our skin concerns. All of us have different skin concerns. For some of us, it's acne. For others, it's hyperpigmentation. For others, it's anti-aging or fine lines or dryness. All of us have skin concerns. You have to figure out what your individual skin concerns are. You got me? You got me? Good. Now let's actually go into how to build a skincare routine. For me, I like to focus on 5 steps, but one of them is completely optional. First step is to cleanse your face. Like your hair, you have to wash your face. It's important to remove not only makeup, but oils and pollutants and all kinds of gunk off your face. You never know how dirty your face is until you go in with a good cleanser and your face is renewed. You can use the same cleanser in your morning and nighttime routine. You don't have to have a bunch of different types of cleansers. I personally do like to use a milky cleanser in the morning and a more gel-like cleanser at night. That is my preference, but it's not necessary at all. This is an optional step, and it is to tone the skin. I love me a good toner. I do. I am big on Asian skincare, big on Korean skincare, and toners are such an integral part of a Korean routine of Korean skincare. So I love me a good toner. Toners help to, at least for me, to deliver some treatment products through a liquid vehicle. So that's niacinamide, vitamin C, centella, and other hydrating and treating ingredients that can over time bring great benefits to my skin. Now we're moving on to how we treat our skin. Like our hair, our skin deserves a little treatment. Honestly, if you're super lazy, you can also skip the treatment step. But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? There are so many treatment products on the market, and honestly, I would have to make separate videos to break them all down, but we can talk about some of them really briefly. Vitamin C is a major treatment step that I like using every morning in my skincare routine. I personally like using vitamin C because of the glow that it gives to my skin. Vitamin C can also help to fade hyperpigmentation. It's not going to happen overnight. If you're having issues attacking some of your skin concerns, just remember to remain patient. But I love vitamin C. I also love retinoids. You may know them as retinol or retinol. They're under the bigger umbrella known as retinoids. I like using retinoids to help to keep my acne at bay, also helping to fade my hyperpigmentation. Retinoids help to stimulate collagen production. It helps with cell turnover, and it can just make the skin look good. It can help with that skin texture. You can also use treatment products that attack specific skin concerns such as oiliness. You can use niacinamide for that. Niacinamide helps with oil production on the skin, helping to keep down that oiliness. You can use azelaic acid. Azelaic acid helps with redness on the skin. You can use a serum that combines a bunch of different actives and ingredients such as tranexamic acid or kojic acid to really help with the hyperpigmentation on the skin. I didn't mention chemical exfoliants such as AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs because I think it's important for a beginner to ease into AHAs and chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants are really good for helping with hyperpigmentation as well, for giving you new fresh skin. But if misused, you can really mess up your skin. It's easy to want to try everything and really hop in there, but that's just not what you should do. I don't recommend it. The fourth step in a skincare routine, and that is to moisturize the skin. You want to make sure that your skin is hydrated. Oily skin may prefer a lighter weight texture, more of a gel or a gel cream type of texture, where dry skin might prefer something that's more occlusive or thicker on the skin. It just really depends. A lot of us want to treat the skin, we want to strip things off the skin, but the most important part of a skincare routine is really hydration. You're going to see the most benefits and improvements to your skin when your skin is balanced, when it's in a good place, where it's nice, hydrated, and supple. And lastly, for the fifth step, you have to protect your skin. You have to protect your skin, and you do that using sunscreen. And yes, Black people, my people of color watching, you have to use sunscreen. I know we were brought up thinking that we have enough protection in our skin from the natural melanin in our skin, but that is definitely not true. Our melanin, although it does offer a level of protection, is certainly not enough to protect our skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Not only does the sun age the skin, it also will help to worsen our hyperpigmentation and also cancer, y'all. Just cancer. I have multiple recommendations when it comes to sunscreen. I personally prefer Asian sunscreen, which is ironic, right? Because, you know, Asian people don't typically look like me. Also, I find that sunscreen also gives me an even skin tone. I find that once I started using sunscreen daily, I just have more even skin. There's just a evenness and beautifulness to my skin that I didn't have when I wasn't using sunscreen, so that's important. That's it, y'all. That is this video. I think I've talked enough. Hopefully I helped you. Hopefully I haven't confused you more than you were confused before. I hope it gave you some clarity. If it didn't, you can definitely drop a question, drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye y'all. Love y'all so much.